Okay, like last year, I did my Beautymas series. So that's when I would do film through the month of December, through the entire month. So today is day 1. So for today, I wanted to do kind of like a really cool wintry makeup look. So I have one eye done, the majority of my base already done. So now I'm going to move to my right eye. I'm just going to prime my eyes with the NARS Smudge Proof eyeshadow base. Then I'm going to go into the Revolution and Batman eyeshadow palette. We're going to take this side first, and we're going to take, let's see, One Woman Show, which is this shade, and we are going to apply this to the crease. Then with actually my finger, I'm going to go to this side and take, what is it? Tortured Soul, which is this ice blue shade. I feel like this shade is perfect for a winter makeup look. I'm going to use my finger to apply it. Then I'm going to take a clean blending brush and just blend the edges. Then I'm going to take the shade Hero, which is this one, and apply it to the brow bone in the inner corner. And the inner corner. Next, I'm going to take my Jafra Power Liquid Eyeliner in Midnight Black. Then I'm going to set the eyeliner with the shade I'm Rubber, which is this black shade. Then I'm going to curl my lashes. And I'm going to apply my Maybelline Lash Sensational mascara. My camera just died, so I'm just letting it charge. So I'm just filming the rest of this video on my phone. Couldn't do anything about it. So, whatever. Okay, so I'm gonna work on the snowflakes. So I'm gonna do like a little like kind of like frosty thing on my cheeks. So I'm gonna take the e.l.f. Halo Glow wand, the blush one, and this is Rose You Slay. I'm just gonna kind of create like rosy type cheeks all along this area. Then I'm going to take my beauty blender and just blend this. Then to set the blush, I'm going to take my Milani Baked Blush in Luminoso and go right on top of the e.l.f. blush. I wanted it to be a little bit more frosted. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to dip into the eyeshadow palette again. I'm going to take shade Tortured Souls and just go right on top of the blush. Just very, very lightly though. Okay, then now it's time to create the snowflakes. So I'm going to use the NYX Epic Wear waterproof eyeliner. Does it have a shade? I guess in white. I really don't know how I'm going to do this, but first I think I want to create the dots on the nose. Kind of like that. And I'm just going to start shaping the snowflakes. I don't know, that one's pretty bad. That's the best that I can do. So I hope you all enjoyed today's video and see you guys tomorrow for day 2. Bye!